Okay guys, welcome to the Christmas Vienna vlog. We are going to Vienna in a few minutes. I'm boarding the plane. I will be showcasing you everything. We will be waiting for the new year there. The flight is like hour and a half. Right now it's like 5:30 a.m. So I'm boarding the plane with my girlfriend, by the way. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated and let's see what Vienna has to offer. We have just arrived to the hotel. Everything was fine. It's my first time in Vienna, by the way. We actually got a pretty nice hotel here. Nothing special, nothing crazy. Alright boys, it's the second day. I'm at breakfast. I got some eggs and some salami and stuff. But yeah, it's the second day. The first day I didn't film that much. I didn't talk. I just filmed around the city. I was like for an hour there and I went back to the hotel. I was very tired. I fell asleep at 10 a.m. and I woke up like in 7. And yeah, it's currently 8 a.m. I'm at the breakfast. We're going to the city later on. I will show you this day much better. We have been shopping a bit. There's nothing much to see today. We are currently in the city center. It's around 9 p.m. Sorry. As you can see here, there's a lot of music, a lot of people. Like there's so much people, I can't even walk. I'm just sitting here on an island where there is no people. In like 3 hours will be the New Year's Eve, and yeah, really, it's great. We'll get something to eat, something to drink. There's music, and yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Four, 3, 2, 1. We are currently at the ice skating resort here in Vienna. As you can see, it's pretty good. A lot of people actually. It's my first time ice skating. I will drop a few of the short clips I made of me skiing. It's crazy. I'm not that good at it, but I mean, for the first time it's great. I'm not talking that much in this vlog, but I will put more of the lifestyle stuff and something that you can actually see and don't listen to me talking non-stop. So yeah. We're finally going back to Serbia. As you can see, I'm on the airport. It was nice. It's around 10 p.m. right now, and I'm boarding very soon the plane, so yeah, that's it. Okay, I finally came back to Serbia. It was 12 a.m. when I landed. I've been on the airport for 4 hours because my luggage was lost. Believe it or not. The smart guys that work on the airport lost my luggage and everyone else's luggage, and yeah, I didn't even get it. They will send it to me. I didn't even bring my luggage from the airport. It's lost somewhere. I don't know where. And the whole plane didn't get the luggage. I don't know why. But yeah, it will be sent to me today. It was okay. It was great. I mean, 6 days. I got a lot of rest. It was really cold. It was like minus 15. The New Year's Eve was very bad. There was no fireworks. I've been to expensive restaurants, spent 200 euros on a dinner. I mean, it was good. It was worth it because the view was great. And yeah, it was great time there. I got proper rest. The hotel was nice. I didn't record that much there. I didn't talk that much. I just showed you guys how the city looks, the museums, the culture, and the restaurants and so on. So overall rating of this trip was 9 out of 10. Let's say 8. 8, not to be unrealistic, 8 out of 10. I actually got sick, my nose is clogged, can't even breathe. I've been sneezing, I've been coughing, but it was very cold. It was very cold, so no wonder I got sick. And if you guys have an idea what you want to see next on my YouTube channel, comment down below. Give me an idea, I will make it happen. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. I will spit a lot of value. I mean, vlogs here and there when I travel or do something. And my content will be mostly value, and you can for sure learn a lot from it. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.